India, the cricket bat factory of the world. This vast and diverse country, known for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant traditions, holds a special place in the world of cricket. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the serene landscapes of Kerala, cricket is a unifying force that transcends boundaries and brings people together. Cricket. The very word evokes a wave of emotion in India. It's a sport that has woven itself into the fabric of Indian society, creating a tapestry of memories, dreams, and aspirations. The roar of the crowd, the thrill of a boundary, and the tension of a close match are experiences that every Indian cherishes. It's more than just a game here. It's a passion, a religion, a way of life. From the youngest child playing with a makeshift bat in a narrow alley to the seasoned professional representing the nation on the world stage, cricket is a journey that millions embark upon with unwavering dedication. And at the heart of this beloved sport lies a simple yet powerful tool, the cricket bat. This piece of willow wood, meticulously crafted and perfected, becomes an extension of the player's arm, a conduit for their skill and determination. While the world watches the game unfold on the field, a lesser-known story plays out in the bylanes of India, in the workshops of skilled artisans who handcraft these very weapons of cricketing glory. These artisans, often working in small family-run workshops, dedicate their lives to perfecting the art of bat making. In these workshops, the air is filled with the rhythmic sound of tools shaping wood, the scent of freshly cut willow, and the sight of craftsmen meticulously working on each bat. Every stroke, every cut, and every polish is a testament to their skill and dedication. India has earned a reputation as the cricket bat factory of the world. This title is not just a testament to the volume of bats produced, but also to the unparalleled quality and craftsmanship that goes into each one. The journey of a cricket bat from a raw piece of wood to a finished product is a fascinating process that combines tradition, skill, and innovation. Towns like Meerut and Jalandhar are synonymous with cricket bat manufacturing. These towns have become hubs of bat making, where the craft has been honed and perfected over generations. The streets are lined with shops and workshops, each with its own unique story and legacy. Here, generations of families have passed down the ancient craft of transforming humble willow wood into instruments of cricketing dreams. Fathers teach their sons, and mothers pass on their knowledge to daughters, ensuring that the tradition continues and evolves with each passing generation. Each bat that emerges from these workshops is a testament to their dedication, skill, and the enduring legacy of Indian craftsmanship. These bats are not just products, they are works of art, each with its own unique character and story. This is a journey into the heart of India's cricket bat factories, where tradition meets innovation and where the past and the present come together to create something truly special. We'll explore the fascinating process of crafting perfection, from selecting the finest willow to the final touches that make each bat unique. Every step is a blend of art and science, requiring precision, patience, and passion. We'll also delve into the challenges faced by these artisans, from the physical demands of the work to the economic pressures of sustaining a traditional craft in a modern world. Their resilience and determination are as inspiring as the bats they create. And finally, we'll uncover the cultural significance of their craft. In India, a cricket bat is more than just a piece of sports equipment. It's a symbol of dreams, aspirations, and the unyielding spirit of a nation that lives and breathes cricket. The story of cricket bat making in India is intertwined with the history of the game itself. British colonialism brought cricket to Indian shores, and with it, the need for cricket equipment. What began as a small-scale industry catering to the needs of the British Raj soon blossomed into a thriving trade. Indian artisans, known for their dexterity and craftsmanship, quickly mastered the art of bat making. The availability of high-quality willow wood, particularly in the Kashmir region, further fueled the growth of this industry. Over the decades, Indian cricket bat manufacturers have carved a niche for themselves in the global market. Their bats have graced the hands of legendary cricketers, from Sunil Gavaskar and Sachin Tendulkar to Virat Kohli and beyond, solidifying India's reputation as a cricketing powerhouse. Creating a cricket bat is a meticulous process, one that requires a deep understanding of both the material and the craft. It's not just about shaping a piece of wood, it's about bringing out the best qualities of the willow to create a bat that performs exceptionally on the field. This process is a harmonious blend of art and science, where precision and creativity come together to produce a tool that is both functional and beautiful. It all begins with selecting the right willow wood, the very soul of the cricket bat. The choice of wood is critical because it determines the bat's performance, durability, and overall quality. The soul of the cricket bat lies in the willow, a tree that has been revered for centuries for its unique properties. The English willow, scientifically known as Salix alba var, Caerulea, is particularly prized for its lightweight yet strong characteristics. The English willow, scientifically known as Salix alba var, Caerulea, is prized for its lightweight yet strong properties, making it ideal for crafting cricket bats. This specific type of willow is known for its ability to absorb shock, which is crucial for a cricket bat that needs to withstand the impact of a fast-moving ball. The wood's grain structure is another important factor. A straight, even grain is often preferred as it indicates a higher quality of wood, which translates to better performance on the field, making it ideal for crafting cricket bats. The process of shaping the bat involves careful planning and execution. Craftsmen use a variety of tools to ensure that the bat is perfectly balanced and has the right weight distribution. The wood is sourced primarily from the Kashmir region, where the unique climate and soil conditions contribute to the willow's exceptional quality. The region's cold winters and warm summers create the perfect environment for the willow trees to grow strong and resilient, where the unique climate and soil conditions contribute to the willow's exceptional quality. The soil in Kashmir is rich in nutrients, which helps the willow trees grow with the right balance of strength and flexibility. Once harvested, the willow logs are seasoned, a crucial step where they are air-dried for months. This drying process is essential as it reduces the moisture content in the wood, making it harder and more durable. A crucial step where they are air-dried for months, allowing the moisture content to reduce and the wood to harden. This step cannot be rushed, as the quality of the final product depends heavily on how well the wood has been seasoned, allowing the moisture content to reduce and the wood to harden. The seasoning process also helps in preventing the wood from warping or cracking, ensuring that the bat remains in top condition for a long time. This seasoning process is crucial in determining the bat's performance and longevity. Only after this patient waiting game can the transformation from raw wood to a finely crafted cricket bat begin. The seasoned wood is then carefully shaped, sanded, and polished to create a bat that is not only functional but also a work of art. Only after this patient waiting game can the transformation from raw wood to a finely crafted cricket bat begin. The final product is a testament to the skill and dedication of the craftsmen, who pour their heart and soul into every bat they create. Section 4. The art of selecting the right wood. Not all willow wood is created equal. Each piece of willow has its own unique characteristics, which can significantly impact the performance of the cricket bat. The selection process is meticulous and requires a deep understanding of the wood's properties. Selecting the right piece for a cricket bat is an art form in itself, requiring a keen eye and years of experience. The craftsman must be able to discern the subtle differences between pieces of wood that might look similar to the untrained eye. The artisan carefully inspects each willow cleft, looking for straight grains, minimal knots, and a consistent weight distribution. These factors are crucial in determining the quality of the bat that will be produced. The grains, those fine lines running along the length of the wood, are particularly important. They indicate the strength and flexibility of the wood, which are essential for the bat's performance. Straight grains indicate stronger wood, which translates to better performance and durability. A bat with straight grains is more likely to withstand the impact of the ball and last longer. The weight of the cleft is another crucial factor. The right weight ensures that the bat is balanced and easy to handle, which is vital for the player's performance. A lighter cleft with good pickup will appeal to stroke players who rely on speed and precision. These players need a bat that allows them to react quickly and make precise shots, while a heavier one might be preferred by those who rely on power hitting. Power hitters need a bat that can generate more force and drive the ball further. This careful selection process ensures that each cricket bat is crafted from the finest willow, tailored to the specific needs of the player. The end result is a bat that not only performs well, but also feels right in the hands of the player, giving them the confidence to perform at their best. Section 5. The Craftsman's Touch, Shaping the Bat. Once the perfect willow cleft is chosen, the real magic begins. This is where the artisan's skill and experience take center stage. Using a traditional draw knife, a tool with a long blade and 2 handles, the artisan begins shaping the bat, carefully shaving away excess wood to achieve the desired profile. This process, known as cleaving, requires a deft hand and a keen eye for symmetry. The artisan follows the natural grain of the wood, ensuring that the bat is balanced and retains its structural integrity. The blade glides over the wood, each stroke bringing the bat closer to its final form. It's a mesmerizing dance of precision and artistry, a testament to the artisan's deep understanding of the craft.